If my friend is sad because they lost a game, I try to give them a hug and smile.
You are brave. Never give up. You are brave. Never give up. Or up.
Sometimes I also share my snacks.
It's important to encourage your friends because it helps them feel confident and try again.
When my friend feels better, I feel joyful and connected.
Your kind words make a difference. Not again.
Hey, Liam. Is everything okay?
Got another bad grade. I just don't get it.
Oh, Liam. I'm sorry to hear that. It's okay, don't worry. Kim, you just need to try your best next time. Hey, how about we study together sometime? Two heads are better than one, right?
Thanks for doing this, Mia.
Of course. Let's conquer this together. See? If you break it down like this, it makes more sense.
Oh, I get it now. That's so much clearer.
That's awesome, Liam. I knew you could do it. See? You totally got this once you put your mind to it. It's so important to encourage our friends, isn't it?
Yeah, totally. I feel so much better now and ready to ace the next test thanks to you.
That's the spirit. Always try your best next time, and I'm always here to help.